Hey guys, it's Gareth here from Faz Digital. Today we're going to show you guys how to set up your payment providers. So in order to do that, you need to be on your home screen for your shop. Now this is just a test and development store, so I'll be able to show you guys exactly how to do that. What you need to do is access the settings on the bottom left of the left hand side of your page. Get into settings. Now just quickly, before you do that, before you put payments in, you've got to have all your general stuff set up. So just make sure you've got phone numbers, addresses, and all of that stuff in place before you do that. So otherwise you won't be able to proceed further with your payment providers. So when you come in here, you're going to have this here, like nothing has been set up. And what we want to do is primarily you want to have Shopify payments and PayPal. You can go through a bunch of the third-party ones, and these are really great for some countries that can't have, and it'll tell you, see, unavailable in your country. So, I can't do these ones here in Australia, but all the ones that don't have that, if you have got an account with these ones, then you can set them up on your Shopify Store, and customers are able to use these to pay. So it's great if you want other alternatives, because a lot of people do use those third-party providers these days. So, but the ones we're going to focus on today, Shopify Payments and PayPal. So if you hit activate, so once you hit activate, you're going to come in here and you're going to fill out some more details as well. So and then it is just a matter of putting in. Now I'm not going to do that today because obviously we're live, but if you put in your branch number and your account number and then go complete the setup, that will then tap into your account, and people will be able to pay you. They'll be able to pay you through your bank account via credit card and debit card. So that is a must-have, and you should have. I usually just have my business account attached to that, so they can just pay straight to that. The other one is your PayPal. So you want to go activate PayPal Express. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's extremely simple to set up. Now I'm just going to show you, okay, so I've already got a PayPal attached to this. I'm just going to click login and it will connect. Agree and connect. Back to Shopify. And that's that. So as you can see, I just connected. Now I've got a few PayPal accounts and I'll just deactivate that because this is just a test account that I use to do tutorials on and show people how to do things. So, but that if it was live, people would be able to pay me through this PayPal account right here, no issues at all. So, so that's that, guys. Your two payment providers. Like I said, if you want to put the third party and alternative methods in, you're welcome. You might be in countries that don't have access to PayPal. I would strongly suggest just sticking with those two for now and then branching out later if that's the way you want to go. But that's it for today, guys. So hopefully that shed a bit of light on opening up your payment providers. Very, very simple, like I said. If you have any questions, jump over to our Facebook, Faz Digital, or Instagram, and send us a message and we'll get back to you. Thank you.